Hello everyone, welcome to the Bug Expert channel. In this video, we will talk about solutions for friends who encounter the Dark Souls 3 unable to connect to server error. This error is encountered by many players, restricting their access to the game. The general reason for this error is usually damage or glitch in the game. Of course, we may encounter such an error not only because of this, but also due to several problems. For this, we will try to solve the problem by telling you a few suggestions. Internet connection problems can cause many errors. If you are experiencing slowdown or disconnection in your internet connection, let's give a few suggestions to fix it. For this, first of all, let's type CMD in the start search screen and run it as an administrator. Then copy and paste the commands in the article to the command prompt and press enter. After the process is complete, you can restart your computer and check if the problem persists. Turn your modem off, wait 20 seconds, and turn it back on. During this process, your IP address will change and will prevent various network problems. If the problem persists, let's move on to another suggestion. In such connection problems, we can eliminate the problem by registering another DNS server on the computer. For this, right-click the Internet icon in the lower right corner and click Open Network and Internet Settings. After this process, right-click on the Ethernet option by clicking on the Change Adapter Options option and open the Properties menu. Define and save the Google DNS server we showed by double-clicking on the Internet Protocol version 4 option in the new window that opens. After this procedure, you can check if the problem still persists. We can prevent this error with the browser cache cleaning software developed by Steam. For this, run the Steam application and open the Settings menu by clicking on the Steam option on the top left. Click the Web Browser option on the left, click the Delete Web Browser Data button and perform the cleaning process. After this process, click the Downloads option on the left, click the Clear Download Cache button, and let's clear the download cache created by Steam. This action will automatically log you out of your account. After connecting to your Steam account, you can check if the problem persists. Disable any antivirus program you use or delete it completely from your computer. If you are using Windows Defender, disable it. For this, type Virus and Threat Protection on the Start search screen and open it. Click on the Manage Settings option on the screen that opens, and go down and click on the Managed Controlled Folder Access option and disable the Controlled Folder Access option. Then come back and turn off Real-Time Protection. Scroll down and click on Add or Remove Exclusions. After this process, click on the Add an Exclusion option and select the folder option and save the protection as an exception by selecting the Steam folder and the Steam game folder. We will verify the game file integrity and ensure that any missing or incorrect files are scanned and downloaded. For this, let's open the Steam application and access the Library menu. Let's open the Properties menu by right-clicking on the Dark Souls game on the left. Since I don't have Dark Souls game installed, I'm showing a sample game. Verify the integrity of the game files by clicking the Local Files option on the left side of the new window that opens. After the verification process is complete, you can check if the issue still persists. If the problem still persists after following these suggestions, the game servers may be under maintenance or down. For this, we can understand what the problem is by checking the game servers. You can be aware of the situation by following the official Twitter account. Yes, in this video we have provided information on how to fix Dark Souls 3 unable to connect to server error. If you are encountering various errors, you can reach the community with your questions by accessing the forum portal we have opened. By supporting us, we can expand our community. Thank you.